Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Needle Say More. Today I'm going to show you how to do a flat felled seam in just 2 minutes. So this is usually done on denim, so I'm doing it on a denim fabric here. It's easier if you've got a denim that's got a clear right and wrong side. So you're going to start off wrong side spacing and you're going to sew a seam allowance 1.5 centimetres from the raw edge, and you need to back stitch the seam at either end, just like that. Then you need to take it over to the iron and you're going to fold each of the seam allowances in half so that wrong sides are facing. So it might be easier to press it open first and then press either edge separately, wrong sides facing, to fold it over. Then one of these edges you're going to cut along the folded line that you just created to cut the seam allowance in half. Then you're going to tuck this cut edge inside the fold of the opposite side. So because you folded them both in half, this should fit in exactly. And then you're going to press it again just to secure it in place. So the cut edge should fit perfectly inside the folded edge and all your raw edges should be encased. You're going to go back over to your machine and you're going to top stitch a couple of millimeters, probably 2 or 3 millimeters from that folded edge you created to secure the fold in place and to encase all of the raw edges. Again, you need to back stitch or reverse stitch at the top and bottom of this seam. Once completed, trim off any loose threads and the raw edges should now be all encased inside that fold and you've created a flat felled seam.